Good morning. Happy Monday morning. I'm going to make a quick little video about how to use Google Draw. So some of those who have not tried the project yet or are just having trouble with it, here you go. Moving on. I'm going to click on the assignment, and then I'm going to go to the motion board, which should be in your, this is a Google Draw file. So for you, and I'm going to go straight to, I want to make a copy. What we're trying to do is to learn how to use Google Draw, but we're also trying to learn how to draw a face that looks like one of these emotions. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Shapes. Here are all your tools, by the way. You can import a picture, you can do a text box, you can do shapes, you can do lines. We'll use the shape and line tools. So I'm going to go Shape and Circle. Click and drag across to get my circle. I can fill it in with a color. I'm going to say blue-gray would be my color. And then I'm going to do a line, and I'm going to use a scribble because I'm going to make some eyebrows. Eyebrows are very expressive, so learn to draw in your eyebrows to get the correct emotion that you want. And then I'm also going to make some kind of crazy eyes because fear is getting you on your guard kind of crazily. And there you go. There's a couple of eyes that are just kind of wonky. There you go. And then I'm going to get out of shape. You can continue to do it with scribble if you want, but I want to fill in shapes. I want to fill in color. So I want to use curve. So I'm going to go, just keep clicking and moving the mouse to where I want, what kind of shape I want. And I just keep going around making this outline. Move and click until I get back to the beginning. Then I have a shape that I can fill in. Excuse me. And then I'm going to fill it in with black. And then I'm going to do another shape to get the teeth. And just keep going around and around, move and click, move and click, move and click. And then go back to where I started. And then I'm going to fill that with white. And then I'm going to go on top of that. I'm going to use scribble and make some teeth. And none of this has to be perfect. It's just the best that you can do. And then I'm going to go ahead and use go back to the curve because I want some like sweat drops. So I want them to look blue. And of course they're gray now because I haven't changed the color. And now I gotta try and close the shape. Ooh, it's having trouble closing. There we go. And then there. Let me go. Oh, it has not even closed the shape. This is the problem with this tool. It doesn't tell you where the end is. So I'm going to go there and, oh, yep, get rid of that. And then get onto this and turn to color. There we go. Turn the color, fill it in. And there you go. There's my fear. Okay. And you go ahead and fill in the best you can with the rest. And then we'll talk about it today. See you later.